Yeah, Donatello. I've been rocking black jeans, mismatched socks, stripes around the hoodie and the carrots on the watch. Little shorty hit me up saying that you trying to talk. I don't want a conversation, all I really want is knots. Pumas on the feet, all green like the crop. Diving tokens where gelato got me filling out the box. 18 jugging with the homies, fucking thoughts, moving packs like clockwork. Screaming fuck a cop, I don't really give a fuck what a bitch say. Working till my wrist pays, step inside my dojo when I show you I'm the sensei. Me insane, I've been great, this ain't new. Knock the pussy out the park just like I'm Babe Ruth. About to say fuck all my teachers cause I hate school. Say they been calling me different, I've been the same dude. Nah, I just come in and I body beat something thing blue. And I ain't even sweating cause this ain't even my debut. At the top, but still giving out toe tags. You rappers hella goofy and you still like you know rap. You talk about the change, but the flow in your notepad is making me sick. You used to give it your flows back, I'm sleep. Fucking deceased, laughing so hard got me weak in the knees. Bitch, I'm a beast, that's a word on the street. They don't fuck with the kid, they get sucked on my meat. Donatello said that shit till I'm 6 feet deep. Throwing boys a rookie and I'm coming with the heat. I'm put a wax in the woods and mixing acid with the dream. My homie said on me, I'll make it, gotta take it with the knees. Motherfucker, I'm a deity, these people at my feet. And I know these rats mad cause the young getting cheese. So I blood up in my veins and my heart filled with greed. Bitch, I'm with the enlightened, and we the ones on the scene. You don't want no smoke, wig, I'm blazing and reek. Bet you take a rapper head off any day of the week. Take a walk up in their room, send me praise and they preach rap shit. Fuck around and then it made me a beast. That's saying the least of it. Plead the fifth, you rappers all weak as shit. Need the grip, belt 2 jeans and 6. I'm leaving Chris, you talk this way you need to grip. Bitch, we making classics, they not familiar. They looking, they squint like they needing glasses. Roll with a bad bitch and you know all my gang with me. And we moving the dope out the plastic. Shit, it just happens, checking my fashion. Dripping in Nike, my bitch even mad. And get in the game and they know I'm a savage. Say it again, bitch, we making these classics. And I'm coming with the heat, I'm put a wax in the woods and mixing acid with the dream. My homie said on me, I'll make it, gotta take it with the knees. Motherfucker, I'm a deity, these people at my feet. And I know these rats mad cause the young getting cheese. So I blood up in my veins and my heart filled with greed. Bitch, I'm with the enlightened, and we the ones on the scene. You don't want no smoke, wig, I'm blazing and reek. Bet you take a rapper head off any day of the week. Take a walk up in their room, send me praise and they preach rap shit. Fuck around and then it made me a beast. That's saying